Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 2 academic word of the day, route or route, for Week 7, Quarter 3. Route or route actually has two pronunciations. Either one is acceptable, but you need to take caution because both of those pronunciations can also mean other words. So let's take a look at that first. The first pronunciation is route. Now, route can also be spelled like this word, R-O-O-T, which is the part of the plant that goes under the ground. This is pronounced root. And our academic word also could be pronounced root, but don't mix it up with this root. Our academic word of the day can also be pronounced route, but don't get it mixed up with this word, which is also pronounced route. A route here is a competition in which one side is soundly beating the other side. Okay, defeating the other side. So you can see the Jaguars. Yay, go Jaguars! It has a score of 116. The Tigers, they only have 12 points. So this is a rout going on. And again, this is the spelling for rout when it means a competition where someone is defeating the other one very badly. But our word of the day also is pronounced route. So don't get mixed up with that. Let's take a look at then what is the definition for our academic word of the day, route or route. We have two, and one is a noun and one is a verb. Let's go over the noun definition first. The noun definition is a way that you follow to get from one place to another. Its synonyms for this first definition, the noun, can be a path or journey. Okay? So you can talk about the route or the route that you take to school every day. You might take a certain route. Some days you might have that route blocked because of traffic or an accident, and you might have to take a different route or route. That's the noun definition. The verb definition is to send someone or something by a particular path. And our verb synonyms are send or transmit. For example, you might want to send a package to a friend in San Francisco. How can you do that? What particular path can you take to send that package? Well, you could send it by postal service. So you're routing the package through USPS or Federal Express. You could also maybe send it by courier. A courier is someone whose job it is to physically bring something from one place to another. So you can route the package or route the package by courier. You see in San Francisco a lot of bicycle couriers, guys riding around crazy with packages because that's the easiest way for to get packages from one place to another in this crowded city. Let's take a look at your illustration for your academic word of the day sentence, which has both definitions. Where is it? Here we are. Okay. Our sentence is about the travelogue. The travelogue is a type of literary genre. A genre is the class or type of writing, such as memoir or autobiography or short story. So One literary genre is the travelogue, in which an author describes experiences along a route like this going into the mountains, and routes these texts to a publisher by letter or by internet. Okay, so here you can see maybe a writer. She travels along this route into the mountains. Okay? This is the path. This is the journey she takes to the mountains. Then she writes about her experiences. Oh, I fell into this hole, and then I got trapped, and then I met these weird guys, and blah, blah, blah. She writes about it, and then the texts that she writes, she sends it or routes these texts to a publisher by internet. Okay, so here it's used as a noun, here it's used as a verb. We have just your adjective participle forms, routed or routed, and routing or routing. So you can say the routed package, or the routed writings, or the author was routing her travelogue to the publisher. Okay, so that's how you can use it as the familiar words. And that's why you have several Spanish translations. Alright, you'll need to write your own original sentence using route or route. And you can use it either as a noun or a verb, or both if you like. And be sure to include an illustration. Happy studying.